Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best garden hoses to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Flexzilla garden hose. A bit lighter than our best overall pick, the 50 feet Flexzilla garden hose weighs just 8 pounds, making it accessible for people of all ages and abilities. It also comes in different lengths, and it's a bright green color that's easy to spot on your lawn. This garden hose is made from a flexible hybrid polymer that ensures it lays flat and won't kink under pressure, and it has anodized aluminum connectors. The brand claims the hose will withstand temperatures into the negatives, and its maximum pressure is 150 psi. It's also safe to drink out of, always a refreshing treat when you're working hard in your yard. The Flexzilla is available in only one color, a bright, chartreuse green. Flexzilla offers a limited lifetime warranty. Features: extremely flexible, durable and lightweight, leak-free and drinking water safe. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the J&BX Panda Hose Expandable Garden Hose. Expandable hoses offer a number of benefits, including that they're lightweight and more compact than standard rubber hoses. In particular, the J&BX Panda hose is an excellent choice for anyone on the hunt for a new garden hose, as it's reliable and easy to use. This expanding hose comes in 75 and 100 foot options, both of which feature a durable 4-layer latex core and elastic fabric exterior that comes in several colors. Plus, the hose comes with a 10-setting nozzle that you can use to water flowers, wash your car, and more. Features: strongest hose available, no more leaks and much easier, lifetime warranty. Coming up next. In third place we have the Bionic Steel Garden Hose. If you tend to be rough on your hoses, you may want a product like the Bionic Steel Garden Hose, which is made from lightweight stainless steel for unbeatable durability. It has a 1/2 inch diameter and also comes in various lengths, and it's even resistant to leaks, punctures, and dragging over rough surfaces, because let's face it, sometimes it happens. Despite being made from metal, this hose only weighs a few pounds, and it's still extremely flexible and can be maneuvered around trees and other obstacles in your yard, resisting kinks and laying flat. It has crush-resistant aluminum fittings, and it offers a 500 psi burst strength. Features: ultra durable, flexible and lightweight, large diameter for max performance. Now moving to the number 4. Grow Green Expandable Garden Hose. The Grow Green Expandable hose almost seemed like a novelty at first, but the convenience of the weight, storage size, and the nice brass coupling with shut-off valve convinced us otherwise. This was the easiest hose to drag out to full extension at 50 feet, taking 2 pounds of force on concrete and 3 pounds on grass. This hose is primarily designed for watering tasks, but we also dragged it on unsealed pavement and found that the polyester casing is susceptible to abrasion and pilling. So, it isn't ideal for washing cars in the driveway. The Grow Green hose starts out at 17 feet long and once pressurized, expands to full length. The hose comes with a spray nozzle with 8 patterns, which is a nice bonus. Features: space-efficient garden hose, high-pressure resistant durable latex, solid brass connectors. In the 5th position we have the Water Right Garden Hose. Gardener's Water Right Light 50 feet hose earns its name, weighing in at just 3 pounds. It's optimized for weight by using small half-inch diameter, polyurethane tubing and aluminum fittings. In use, this is evident. Dragging it out to full length on grass takes only 5 pounds of force and just a little more at 6 pounds on concrete. This makes it convenient to handle in the garden, on the patio, or around raised beds. Kink resistance is good, and the weight makes it easy to correct or avoid kinks by twisting or flipping the hose. It is intended for garden use, and it is ideal for that, but it is also drinking water safe, so it could be used for an RV hookup as well. It could also be used for anything else, although the flow rate isn't optimal for things that require a large volume of water. Features: super slim, lightweight design, long-lasting polyurethane resin, durable, user-friendly garden hose. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best garden hoses. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.